So that's an amazing way to start the year. We just made $33,000 and Pump and Dump Group made 330%. Guys, let me show you the trades I share in the private list. We made 330% on the last 48 hours. We trade Bolt, Gov, UpOnly, and Dent. Guys, we trade coin based in high volume. Okay, the pump happened because the market put money in the coin. So all you gotta follow is the buyer power, guys. Buyer power is the whole secret, but the whole secret also is the volume. Let me show you here. Bolt on the last hour has a volume of $172,000. Gov has $215,000. Up only has the volume of $1 million, and Dent has a volume of $15 million. That's how you make money, guys. If I made 330% profit here, $33,000, you can make the same profits I do, because pump and dump traders, they just follow my trades. Okay. First trade recap is Dent. I shared this trade in the private list right here on December 28th. Before the pump, we bought this coin for 0.0005 and you put a sell order right here, 0.0012. I made $95,000. Okay, 9,500, 95%. Okay, now let me show you something very interesting. Like I mentioned before, volume spike plus buyer power. Most of those volumes, guys, they are invisible. You don't see the volume here. But let me show you something very interesting. Let me move this chart a little bit. You see the volume just pump here? Take a look at this. I got an alert on this coin on December 26. Take a look at this number right here. Right here, the volume was $61 million. Right here, the volume was $5 million, jumped to $61 million, went down to $32 million, and went up to $157 million. Okay, the volume is in the market. You just need the confirmation of the buyer power. That's when I print screen my monitor and share in the private list for Pump and Dump Group. If you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out, pumpanddumpboy@gmail.com. Together we are strong. Just think about it. More people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up fast. Okay. Next trade recap is UpOnly. 145%. I made $14,000 this single trade. Whenever I trade, I put $10,000. I shared this trade in the private list right here on December 29. Bought this coin for the same price, 0.0051, and you put a sell order right here, 0.0113. $145,000, 14,500. Okay, Pump and Dump Group, we all make money because you trade pump. We buy the coin before the market find out and sell up high. Feel free to reach me out, pumpanddumpboy@gmail.com. My name is Daniel. I live in South Beach, Miami. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.